So I'm trying this vlogging stuff out today, like out and about vlogging instead of just in the house. So today I gotta go get an oil change, and then I think while I'm getting Samir, that's my son. I think while I'm getting my oil change, I think I'm just gonna walk across the street and go to the mall because I know Bath and Body got like they sale going on right now. So I think that's what I'm gonna do while I get my oil change. Hopefully I can get one because I don't feel like waiting so long to get an oil change. So I think I'm gonna do that, and then I got a surprise for my son. I'm taking him to the fair. So I'm gonna try to vlog some of that. So and don't mind the hair. I gotta lay my lace down. Gotta lay the lace down. Hopefully it don't come up because it's a hot one today. So yeah. And yeah, just stay tuned. I'm gonna try. My bad, I'm smacking this gum. This gum is kind of good. It's a fresh piece of gum. That's my son yelling. Like, he is like very loud. So yeah, excuse him. So we at the place right now. I get my oil changes at Goodyear. So hopefully the wait is not too long and I can just get in and it'll be no more than an hour. If not, I'm trying to find another Goodyear and see how long it's gonna be there. So change of plans. Can't even get an oil change today because they're booked up, and then I called other places, they're booked up too. So I had to schedule one for Monday. So everybody wants to get an oil change today. I don't know why. So can't even get one today. So but I'm still gonna go to the mall because I want to go to the Bath and Body sale they got. Hopefully I can find some good stuff because I went to another mall that we got here and excuse me, they didn't really have any good scents at that one that I really wanted to get. So I'm gonna try the mall, the big mall, the inside mall, and see there. But I'm still gonna go to the fair. I'm just gonna use my mom's truck and go to the fair because the fair is like maybe 30 minutes away, I want to say, if that. I don't think it's really that far. But like I'm like way over my miles for my oil change, so I don't want to chance it. So that's why I'm going to use my mom's car, and she's coming with us too. So yes, I will be back. These right here got the best cookies, but they're expensive though. It is down there. What? Come on. You want to go down the elevator? Escalator? However you call it. Be careful now. I hate this. This is what I got. Like the sale in there is not that good this year. Last year and this year was not that good. The scents was just hot. Alright. Well, the 75% off sale was not that good this year. Like it was horrible this year. So this was I got this one. This one I got like last week. So y'all showing it. So strawberry pound cake. I got the lotion. That's what I got last week, and then today I just got this one, Sunset Glow, and I don't even know if this was the matching lotion to it or not, but they didn't really have like pairs and stuff. I don't know if they were just all out or they just didn't have it. I don't know, but this is what I got. I think I'm gonna go back to the other one, the outside mall, see if they got something different too. I gotta deposit some money into my account. I forgot I had to put this money in because I don't want to be walking around with all this money.
I'll tell you.
You know, big bank. Just playing though. But yes, I'm about to deposit my money and then we're gonna be on our way. ATM is temporarily not accepting deposits. Really? They're not accepting deposits. So that's inconvenient because this is the only closest one on my side of town. Crazy. And I don't know no of the ATM that's mine on this side of town right now. And I don't want to carry all this money on me. I don't like carrying a whole lot of money on me. You know, I ain't trying to get robbed or nothing like that. Even though nobody tempt me because they don't know what I got up in this purse. And I'm just talking stuff. Because I cannot drive because all these cars are coming. And I'm hungry, but I'm trying to wait so I can get some food there. That was a real big inconvenience. How are you not accepting cash? I don't understand. So, I guess I'm gonna have to keep this cash on me because I don't know no other ATM. My bank ATM that's close where I'm at right now without going way out the way. I don't want to go way out the way. So I guess I'm gonna have to hold it. You want something to drink? Cheese fries, bucket of cheese fries, hot dog, corn dog. Huh? You don't want to go? So right now it is Saturday. No, it's not Saturday. I wish it was Saturday, but today's Sunday, so I'm gonna go grocery shopping and get a few things. So I went to the mall while I was getting my oil change. I wasn't even going in there to get everything, to end up getting some stuff. So I'll show y'all once I get back into my car. And now I'm just walking back to where my oil change. Hopefully that's supposed to be it. My breath, I don't want to fall off that. Alright, I'm still waiting. Like, can you hurry up? Like, I need to go get my son. So this is what I picked up at the mall. This is Lane Bryant. I just picked up a bra. It was actually Lane Bryant. You know, if you go in there, they're a little expensive. Bra from Lane Bryant, you don't really get a good bra like that from Lane Bryant for $14, $15 might as well. I got that earlier, but from Bath and Body, I got into the night, if you can see, into the night. This one smells really good. These were 75% off, so they were like $1 and something. And I got another one. 8,000 Wishes. This one smells really good too. And I got like another set. Champagne Sprinkle. It's like every time I go to Bath and Body Works, they have different, they put out new stuff. Like they're not putting it all out at once. Like they keep putting out different stuff. Because last time I went there, they did not have this one. But this one smells really good. And they had another, they had like 3 other kinds of their champagne sprinkle. And I just got the perfume.